The news of Clara's journey and the magic of the Garden of Whispers spread throughout the village. The once hidden sanctuary became a gathering place for the villagers, a space where they could share their dreams and listen to the whispers of nature. The garden, now a symbol of unity and hope, bloomed with flowers that carried the essence of the dreams that flourished within the hearts of the villagers. As seasons changed and years passed, Clara remained the guardian of the Garden of Whispers. She continued to nurture the connection between the village and the magical sanctuary, ensuring that the whispers of nature echoed through generations. The once forgotten dream of the bluebell became a guiding light for the villagers, inspiring them to pursue their aspirations and cherish the interconnectedness of their dreams. One day, as Clara sat on the weathered bench, now surrounded by a tapestry of blossoms, she noticed a young girl with curly brown hair and eyes that sparkled with curiosity. The girl, much like Clara had once been, wandered into the garden, drawn by the enchanting whispers that lingered in the air. Approaching the young girl, Clara smiled warmly and invited her to sit on the weathered bench. "Welcome to the Garden of Whispers, my dear. Here, every flower has a story to tell, and every whisper carries the magic of dreams. Listen closely, for you might discover the song hidden within the petals." The young girl, captivated by the invitation, sat beside Clara, and together, they listened to the soft murmurs of the garden. The flowers spoke of love, innocence, and dreams that awaited discovery. As the gentle breeze carried the whispers around them, Clara knew that the cycle of enchantment continued, and the Garden of Whispers would forever be a timeless haven of shared dreams and the magic of nature. Title: The Lighthouse of Dreams. On the edge of a small coastal town, where the salty breeze kissed the air and seagulls danced in the sky, there stood an old lighthouse. The townspeople affectionately called it the Lighthouse of Dreams, for it held a special secret known only to those who dared to believe. In this picturesque town, lived a young girl named Emma. With her tousled golden hair and a heart full of wonder, Emma often found herself drawn to the rhythmic beam of light that emanated from the Lighthouse of Dreams. Legend had it that the lighthouse had the power to make dreams come true for those who approached it with sincerity. One bright summer morning, as the town bustled with activity and laughter, Emma decided to venture into the heart of the Lighthouse of Dreams. With a sense of excitement bubbling within her, she stepped through the creaking door and found herself in a room filled with the soft hum of the lighthouse's machinery. In the center of the room stood an ancient telescope that seemed to beckon to Emma. As she peered through its lens, she saw not the familiar seascape but a breathtaking dreamscape, a world where candy-colored clouds floated in a cotton candy sky, and winged unicorns grazed in meadows of shimmering stardust. Enchanted by the vision, Emma realized that the Lighthouse of Dreams held the key to unlocking the extraordinary realm of her deepest desires. With a heart full of hope, she closed her eyes and whispered her most cherished dream to the gentle hum of the lighthouse. In that moment, the room glowed with a warm light, and Emma felt a surge of energy coursing through her veins. When she opened her eyes, she found herself standing in the dream world she had glimpsed through the telescope. The candy-colored clouds tickled her cheeks, and the winged unicorns nuzzled her with their gentle noses. Overjoyed by the magical transformation, Emma spent what felt like an eternity exploring the dream world. She discovered a crystal-clear lake where wishes shimmered like stars, and a forest where trees whispered secrets of forgotten tales. The dream world was a canvas of infinite possibilities, and Emma reveled in the beauty that unfolded around her. As time passed differently in the dream world, Emma soon realized that she needed to return to her coastal town. With a grateful heart, she closed her eyes and wished to be back in the Lighthouse of Dreams. In an instant, she found herself standing before the telescope, the memory of her dream world still fresh in her mind. Eager to share the magic with others, Emma decided to become the guardian of the Lighthouse of Dreams. She spread the word about the lighthouse's enchanting powers, encouraging the townspeople to visit and believe in the dreams that lay hidden within their hearts. The townspeople, initially skeptical, soon found themselves drawn to the allure of the Lighthouse of Dreams. Each person who entered the lighthouse discovered a unique dreamscape tailored to their deepest desires. Some found themselves soaring through the sky with the grace of birds, while others danced in meadows of blooming wishes. Emma, with her heart attuned to the dreams of the townspeople, reveled in the joy that radiated from the transformed lives around her. The coastal town, once quiet and ordinary, now sparkled with the magic of fulfilled dreams. The lighthouse had become a beacon of hope and possibility, and the townspeople embraced the enchantment that surrounded them. As Emma continued to guide people to the Lighthouse of Dreams, she met a young artist named Oliver. Oliver, with paint-stained fingers and a heart that yearned for creative expression, had lost his inspiration. He doubted his ability to capture the beauty he envisioned in his mind. Intrigued by the challenge, Emma invited Oliver to visit the lighthouse. As he peered through the telescope, he was transported into a dreamscape where colors blended like watercolors on canvas, and vibrant hues danced in harmony. Inspired by the dream world, Oliver felt a surge of creativity coursing through his veins. With newfound determination, Oliver returned to his art studio and began to paint. His canvases burst with life, each stroke capturing the essence of the dream world he had visited. The coastal town soon became adorned with his masterpieces, and people from neighboring towns traveled to witness the magic that Oliver's art brought to life. The Lighthouse of Dreams became a sanctuary not only for wishes but also for the creative spirits seeking inspiration. Emma, now accompanied by Oliver, guided artists, musicians, and writers through the enchanting realms of their imagination. The dream world within the lighthouse became a muse for those in search of the extraordinary. One day, as Emma and Oliver stood atop the lighthouse, gazing at the sparkling sea below, they noticed a young girl with golden hair and a backpack filled with sketchbooks. The girl's eyes sparkled with curiosity, mirroring the dreams that had once ignited Emma's own heart. Approaching the duo, the young artist introduced herself as Mia. She expressed her longing to find inspiration for her drawings, hoping to capture the beauty that lay beyond the ordinary. Emma and Oliver, with knowing smiles, welcomed Mia into the Lighthouse of Dreams. As Mia peered through the telescope, her eyes widened in amazement. She found herself transported into a dreamscape where fantastical creatures roamed and landscapes unfolded like pages from a storybook. Inspired by the magic around her, Mia closed her eyes and whispered her wish to capture the essence of the dream world within her sketches. When Mia opened her eyes, she found herself back in the lighthouse, a sketchpad in her hands and a heart brimming with creative energy. Emma and Oliver, witnessing the transformation, knew that Mia's art would carry the enchantment of the dream world into the hearts of those who beheld it. The coastal town, now renowned for its magical Lighthouse of Dreams, became a haven for dreamers and creators alike. Emma, Oliver, and Mia continued to guide people toward the extraordinary realms hidden within their hearts. The dreams of the townspeople intertwined, creating a tapestry of possibilities that painted the coastal town with the colors of imagination. As the years passed, the Lighthouse of Dreams stood as a testament to the power of belief and the magic that lies within every dream. Emma, Oliver, and Mia became the guardians of a legacy that echoed through generations, inspiring dreamers to embrace the enchantment within and turn their aspirations into reality. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of pink and orange across the sea, Emma noticed a group of children playing near the lighthouse. The children, with their laughter echoing through the air, had heard tales of the magical place that granted wishes and inspired creativity. Approaching the children, Emma smiled warmly and invited them to experience the wonders of the Lighthouse of Dreams. The young dreamers, their eyes wide with anticipation, eagerly peered through the telescope, ready to embark on a journey into the realms of their imaginations. And so, on the edge of the small coastal town, where the salty breeze kissed the air and seagulls danced in the sky, the Lighthouse of Dreams continued to stand tall. Its light, a beacon of hope and inspiration, cast a warm glow on the dreams of those who believed in the magic hidden within the ordinary. The coastal town, forever touched by the enchantment of the Lighthouse of Dreams, embraced the extraordinary in every moment, turning each wish into a reality painted with the colors of possibility. Title: The Star Weaver's Legacy. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily, with her raven-black hair and a heart as pure as a crystal-clear stream, had always been fascinated by the night sky. She often spent her evenings lying on the soft grass, gazing at the twinkling stars that adorned the velvety canvas above. The villagers, captivated by Lily's genuine love for the stars, often shared tales of the Star Weaver, a legendary figure said to have the ability to weave dreams into the fabric of the night sky. According to the stories, the Star Weaver's legacy was passed down through generations, and it was said that one chosen individual in the village would inherit the gift. Lily, enchanted by the idea of weaving dreams among the stars, often daydreamed about the possibility of being chosen as the next Star Weaver. Her eyes sparkled with a quiet hope as she imagined herself dancing among the constellations, threading dreams into the midnight tapestry. One evening, as Lily lay beneath the star-studded sky, a shooting star streaked across the heavens, leaving behind a trail of shimmering stardust. It was then that Lily felt a gentle warmth enveloping her, as if the universe itself whispered secrets in her ear. In that magical moment, she knew she had been chosen as the next Star Weaver. With a heart full of wonder and determination, Lily set out to learn the ancient art of star weaving. The village elder, a wise woman named Ilara, had been the previous Star Weaver and held the key to passing on the celestial legacy. Under Ilara's guidance, Lily learned the delicate dance of starlight and the ancient chants that connected the weaver to the cosmos. Days turned into nights, and Lily's skills as a Star Weaver flourished. Ilara, with a twinkle in her eye, watched as the young girl embraced the legacy with reverence and joy. Lily's fingers, once inexperienced, now moved gracefully through the air, weaving dreams and aspirations into the celestial fabric. The village, aware of Lily's newfound role, gathered each night to witness the magic she created among the stars. Lily, with her heart attuned to the hopes and dreams of the villagers, wove stories of love, courage, and adventure into the cosmic tapestry. The night sky became a living mural, reflecting the collective spirit of the village. One day, as Lily wandered through the village square, she noticed a young boy named Oliver. Oliver, with a mop of unruly brown hair and eyes filled with curiosity, had always dreamed of exploring the world beyond the hills. However, he doubted his ability to embark on such a grand adventure. Touched by Oliver's unspoken aspirations, Lily approached him and asked about his dreams. Oliver, shy at first, opened up about his desire to discover new lands and experience the wonders that lay beyond the familiar horizons of the village. With a warm smile, Lily invited Oliver to join her beneath the night sky. She explained the ancient tradition of star weaving and shared tales of the dreams that had been woven into the stars over the generations. Inspired by Lily's words, Oliver felt a spark of courage within him, and for the first time, he dared to believe in the possibility of his own adventure. As the night unfolded, Lily and Oliver lay on the grass, gazing at the stars above. Lily, with her hands moving gracefully, began to weave Oliver's dreams into the cosmic fabric. The stars twinkled with newfound brilliance as Oliver's aspirations took shape among the constellations. With a sense of wonder, Oliver felt a surge of confidence within him. The once unattainable dream of exploring distant lands now felt within reach. Grateful for Lily's guidance, Oliver decided to embark on a journey beyond the hills, eager to discover the wonders that awaited him. As Oliver set off on his adventure, Lily continued to weave dreams into the night sky. The village, inspired by Oliver's courage and the magic of the starlit nights, began to embrace their own aspirations. People pursued passions they had long neglected, and the collective dreams of the villagers manifested in the celestial masterpiece above. However, as Lily continued to fulfill the role of the Star Weaver, she noticed a subtle change in the night sky. The stars seemed to lose their luster, and the cosmic tapestry began to fade. Concerned, Lily sought guidance from Ilara, the wise elder who had once held the same responsibility. Ilara, with a solemn expression, explained that the Star Weaver's legacy was not without challenges. The cosmic balance required the weaver to be attuned not only to the dreams of the villagers but also to their own aspirations. Lily, consumed by the selfless act of weaving dreams for others, had neglected her own desires. Determined to restore the brilliance of the night sky, Lily embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She wandered through moonlit meadows, climbed the highest hills, and listened to the whispers of the wind. In the quiet moments of reflection, Lily discovered her own dreams of personal growth, creativity, and the joy of weaving her own destiny. With newfound clarity, Lily returned to the village square. The night sky, once dulled, awaited her touch. Lily, embracing her own dreams, wove threads of personal aspirations into the stars. The cosmic tapestry, rejuvenated with the energy of self-discovery, sparkled with a radiant glow. The village, bathed in the celestial brilliance, marveled at the rekindled magic of the Star Weaver. Lily, now a beacon of inspiration, encouraged the villagers to embrace their own dreams while fostering a sense of unity and shared aspirations.